everybody and welcome to today's video. So I'm here with a spring home bargains haul and you will see why it's so like spring summer inspired, especially with this first item. So I think this is so cute. I've wanted this since I think I've seen it on Facebook or somewhere. I screenshot it and I've been looking for it. So they do this in the smaller one, it's just the only one I'd seen. But this was $9.99. It says it's a decorative watering can. Oh, but yes, you can actually use it as a watering can, because for a minute there I actually wanted to use it. It does work as a watering can, that's fine then. But I did just think this looks so cute. If it didn't have this on the top, it would look really good as well as a planter, is what my mum pointed out. And I just think this looks quite nice. I've got some, I've got a bench that's like, I've painted it but we don't actually sit on it, that I think this will look really good on. And I also like the style of it being like on garden shelving as well. I just think it looks so nice. Like I said, this was $9.99. So this next thing is a bit random. It is one of these flower pot windmills and I just thought this looked really cute. I like this kind of thing anyway, put into plant pots, because for one it keeps the birds away and the birds and the insects and things away when it blows around because it scares them. But I just thought the colours of this and the fact that it's in its little plant pot, I just thought that was really cute. I can't remember how much this is, but I'm pretty sure it was no more than like $1.99 or something like that. I think it might have been like £1.65, something random. So I just thought that was really cute because these don't last obviously very long. They last pretty much like that summer and then they get destroyed, especially when I, silly me, forgets to put them away. And they do get ruined because obviously they are like wooden as well, so they discolour really quickly. Nextly, I have just picked up a new Minky. I already have two of these. I'm pretty sure they're like the home bargains or like the B&M versions, but I've just recently had to bin one because it's actually like unravelled and come undone because I've used it that much. So I did just pick up another one. I've been putting off buying a new one for ages purely because it's like $2.99 for one sponge. And I'm sure I think I actually picked this up because I thought it was cheaper than I'd seen anywhere else. So yes, I picked up a brand new Minky. So also for cleaning is a new Flora. I'm so glad the Lemon Zing is back. I first was only seeing this in the really big bottle. And to be honest, I think the really big bottle is just too big. And they are like $3.99 or something. They're like £4 for a big bottle. So I like the little ones. Anyway, I found this finally in a little one, and the spring summer like scents are my absolute favourite from Flora. I don't know why, I think anything lemon scented though for me is the one. I love it. And these are literally like $1.99 I think for the small ones in Home Bargain. Another cleaning thing is actually, oh my god, it smells so good. It is the Harpic toilet cleaner, but this is in tea scented. Oh my god, I'm not joking, this smells like you could drink it. It smells like a tropical fruit juice or something. It smells really good. And I've been putting off using this purely so I could film this video. And I just can't wait to go and put it in my toilets. Smells so good. They have actually released, I think there's a few scented ones like this ready for the summer, and I didn't try the other ones, but I would definitely give them a go because usually I just go for like the pine scented ones, which work really well during the autumn winter months. I also picked up a refill pack of 2, but I have already used one for my Digmatic because I was actually really in need for this. I could not wait to finish this video to finally use it. So yep, just got a refill, although they only did the refill pack of 2s instead of like the 3, which I'm pretty sure makes Tesco's ones actually a bit cheaper. I can't go into Home Bargains without picking up a Garnier sheet mask. These are amazing. So I really like the original one for the hydration. I love the blackhead one. I don't know, what is it? I think it's active charcoal. That one is great for my spots or any like imperfections or anything. And then obviously the lavender one as well is really good. I do really want to try actually the aloe vera one in the summertime, because I've used an aloe vera sheet mask before. It's fantastic for sunburn. So yes, I always pick one of these up every single time I go into Home Bargains because they are the cheapest I see them unless they're on like offer or something in a Superdrug or Boots. I've now got a few food items. So the first one is actually Fibre One bars. This is the birthday cake squares. So we love the Fibre One bars, but very rarely buy them because they're quite expensive for only £5. We like the, Anthony likes the lemon one, I like the chocolate fudge one. But I thought I'd give this one a go. I've not tried it before and I've still resisted opening it up to film this video. But the Home Bargains, I think, is a great place to buy like snacks like this, because as soon as you walk in it gives you all their special buys, and this was one of them. Don't know if it's maybe because the birthday cake one is a new flavour that they've recently brought out. I'm not sure if it's even in the supermarket yet. Something that I couldn't resist actually was, I've been looking for these everywhere. They are the Dime Caramel Latte bars. So I was on the search with, I only thought there was actually in B&M, and then I found them in Home Bargains. They were a pack of 3. I actually bought these whilst I was supposed to be at work, so I opened one, ate it straight away. I was really looking forward to these, and unfortunately I expected the caramel to be soft, and it is not soft at all. It's hard caramel, and that is like the worst. It's the kind of bar that gets stuck in your teeth. But anything coffee flavoured, I am there. I love anything coffee flavoured. And as soon as I opened the packet, you could smell the coffee, and that to me is just like, oh. I would definitely eat those 2 up, but I don't think I would rebuy them again. And lastly, it's literally just like a little treat because they were like 60p or something like that, is these. These are Twix Tops. So you get 10 in here. I thought that was really good actually. But I like these kind of things just to slack on, you know, like when you finished your dinner and you want a bit of a chocolate treat. Or I like to throw these actually in my work bag, so I can have them at work as a snack when I can't get out for a break. Like these very much. And the last 2 things are so exciting. They are also for the garden or for the house. They could be for either. So firstly, they are these 2 planters. So I actually found this small one first when I was on the hunt for the big ones. This was £3.99. It already comes lined, so obviously you can use it inside or outside. It's raining at the minute, and I purposely brought the big one that did have some plants I hadn't planted yet in because it was raining, and so these would be fine outside I think for the summer, but I would definitely bring them in once the summer has finished. So yes, £3.99 for that small one. I think this will look really good on a big coffee table or even a dining table with like succulents in it rather than like a plant, but obviously because of the shape and its size. And then I've been after one of these for ages, and it is just one of these like normal size planters but the wicker. I think these look so good. The house we were supposed to be buying is like an old farmhouse, so I think this cottage style will be brilliant. I'm so excited. This is £5.99, these big ones, and I actually got the last one that was in the store. I'm so happy I did. I was going in thinking I was going to buy 2, but I'm happy that at least one's better than none. So yes, I'm very happy. I will be looking out for another one of these, I think, because 2 together I think will look so good. And £5.99, I was looking for these online and they was like 20 odd quid, and that's obviously without the delivery, so I was very happy with this one. So that is it for today's video, my Home Bargains haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.